Okay, here we have a Weber Summit charcoal grilling station, and what I'd like to show you guys is what the ArteFlame griddle insert would look like on it, because I haven't seen one anywhere. And he got some orders in, and the owner of the ArteFlame sent me an email telling me they were in stock, so I ordered it. So this is what it looks like. Pick this up, and this is the griddle. It's brand new. I haven't seasoned it at all. You have about 6 inches from here to here, and this whole plate, center plate, is 1 foot exactly, and this is 6 inches exactly, and you have about a 1/4 inch of space all around, so it fits pretty good. The only gripe I have is I wish this plate would have been only maybe say 10 inches, and they would have given 8 inches here, because the whole purpose of having this griddle so you can have more griddle cooking surface. And when they make it, they make this 1 foot wide, only leaving 6 inches of space. I don't usually cook 1 foot long steaks, so I think it would be a good idea if they just change it up a little and maybe make this 10 inches and give this the extra 2 inches, which people will prefer, because that's what they need, more griddle cooking space than actually grilling space. So there it goes. Let me show you the center insert, what it looks like without it. Okay, so you set your charcoal up in there, your wood, put everything in there nice. And this is the insert again. Just take it and you pop it right back in there, and you're done. So again, this is what the insert looks like on the Weber Summit charcoal grilling station.